Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here at the intensive February 2025 and the guys just finished to do this incredible Larch from Switzerland and we're gonna call it the Larch Wiring Marathon. The first styling on the Larch is very important to create a geometrical structure with all the outer branches. If you have inner guys and short like these, you can use to create more volume. But first of all these guys, yes, we need to spread them out. Little movement, especially on the small ones, okay, not crazy zigzag, okay. Nicely open everything. And then with stuff that you have over, you create a little bit of volume. Only at the end, when you are sure about the position of the pad, you can start deciding the length and cut whatever is too long, but don't do part by part. I mean, don't start positioning and pruning, because otherwise you risk that at the end you are missing some part that you eventually will need, okay? So like here, and then I say, okay, this is a big tree, I will probably have a long branch in the other side, so for now, I go here, I try to cut where I have the end some apical branches, some apical buds. Yeah. This, and then I keep coming over. Boom. This is an inner one I can use there. This is another inner one. I can create some volume. And then you have inner little branches, you can put them a little bit together here. This will give a little bit more volume in this section. And then you have this one, this will stay higher according to the final position there. There we go. And there we go with the pen. Okay, nice movement and down. Okay?
Okay. Do you fertilize the larches?
Always. Taxus and is one of the trees that is on my new book, Bonsai Dream #2. There is all the story of the tree since the beginning when we did all the work on the deadwood, on the live line, and now after 20 years, the tree is shining. So if you are interested to buy my new book, Bonsai Dream #2, send me an email.